Millions of years ago, such terrible animals were released on Earth. If she were alive, man would not be alive. In this video, we will tell you about 10 animals that were released on Earth before humans, whose name scares people as soon as they hear their name. Number 10, Smilodon. You must have seen Smilodon many times in movies. His two big teeth looked even more terrifying. A human finger is 2 to 3 inches long, but his teeth were 6 to 7 inches long. Smilodon used to be the most dangerous animal after the extinction of the dinosaurs. It was also called saber-toothed tiger because of its large teeth. And the interesting thing is that these tigers used to live with humans. But with the end of the Ice Age, their end time also began because humans started hunting them, and it is said, if he was pitted against a tiger, these tigers would easily defeat him. Number 9, Gigantopentax. Friends, you must have seen King Kong in the movie who fights with dinosaurs and lizards, but let me tell you one thing. There is no King Kong in real life. It is a movie fictional character, which was created by looking at Gigantopentax. This Gigantopentax was a great ape that lived with humans over 100,000 years ago. Well, it was not an aggressive animal, but whenever any attempt was made by humans or other animals to harm it, it fought back. It was not as big as King Kong, but it was bigger than humans and other animals. And that too ended with the Ice Age. Number 8, Meganeura. If we talk about insects, there are many such insects in the world that are scary just by looking at them. But if we go back in time, Meganeura was a huge insect, and it looked like a dragonfly, but it was bigger than a dragonfly. It was so big that you had never seen an insect this big before. Some people are so timid that they get scared just by looking at cockroach. Think what would happen to these people if Meganeura was alive. It is said that they were alive at the time of dinosaurs. Number 7, Helicorpion. Friends, you must have seen a lot of strange fish, but you have never seen such a strange fish before. This fish had no upper teeth, but replaced the lower teeth with a rotating blade that it used to crush its prey. You guys must be wondering how it used to eat. It used to crush its prey and eat it in small pieces. This fish was also alive at the time of dinosaurs, but its species also disappeared from the world 27 million years ago. Number 6, Pentacops stairs. Friends, a scorpion is an animal whose name is feared. Aegis scorpion is so small, but it is still so feared that it can kill any human being. If we go back in time, scorpions were twice as big as humans and mostly lived in the seas. But when the climate changed, it became difficult for them to find food, so they started eating each other, which led to the extinction of their species. Number 5, Mosasaurus. It was neither an animal nor a dangerous crocodile. Rather, it was a very bloodthirsty sea lizard. It has been featured in many movies and was about 55 feet long. This lizard was so big that it could cut dinosaurs like T-Rex in 2 in 1 blow. I was so scared to see it in the movies. Think how scary it would have been if it was on the real lizards were also present at the time of the dinosaurs. But when an asteroid hit the Earth, they were wiped out along with the dinosaurs. Number 4, Titanoboa. Friends, if I ask which is the biggest snake in the world, you will talk about anaconda and python. Friends, these are the biggest snakes now, but millions of years ago, even larger snakes than pythons and anacondas used to be released. The largest snake of which was Titanoboa is considered to be the largest and most feared snake in history. The maximum length of the anaconda is 20 feet, but the maximum length of the Titanoboa is 50 feet. It used to prey on large animals. A study found that it used to prey on crocodiles and other marine lizards. But when the climax changed, it had a lot of trouble hunting it. It disappeared from the world. Disappeared. Number 3, Megalodon. Friends, one of the most bloodthirsty animals in the ocean is the white shark. It is also called the king of the sea, which tears apart its prey and eats it. But if we go back 4 million years, there was such a shark. This shark was 3 times larger than the great white shark of the age. The name of this shark was Megalodon. It was the largest sea shark of its time. According to a research, if Megalodon and Mosasaurus were to fight, Megalodon would have torn it to pieces. Number 2, Mega crocodile. Friends, today's crocodiles are very small, but if they catch any animal or human in their jaws, they kill it and die. Friends, today's crocodiles are very small, but if they catch any animal or human in their jaws, they kill it and die. Scientists have found a crocodile's bones that are so big you can see them. Research has shown that it could even cut the giant dinosaur T-Rex in two. The number one T-Rex. Texas is considered to be the most dangerous animal of all time. It was so dangerous that it killed and ate dinosaurs twice its size. He is also called the king of dinosaurs. Pier X's bite 4 was 10 times more than the white shark. Just watching the D-Rex in the movies looks like it's about to burst out of the screen. So these were some animals that have become extinct from this world. Hope you like this video. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel.